Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch, and my video today is how to make this Easter pillow box. Here are the supplies. We sell these craft pillow boxes right in our Stampin' Up! Catalog. And this is powder pink that measures 1.5 by 7, and then another piece that's 3 by 3. We've got Whisper White 3 by 3, and then another piece of Whisper White that's 1 3/8 by 3/4. Okay, so this is going to be a super quick, easy project. All the supplies will be listed over on my website. First thing you're going to do is just assemble your pillow box. So you want to add your treat inside there. I love using these when I'm in a hurry for a quick project. We're going to take the powder pink cardstock and we're going to emboss it with this dot-to-dot embossing folder. Now, because it measures 7 inches, it's not going to emboss the whole thing, but that's okay because it's going to fall under that scallop circle, so it's not going to bother anything. So let me get the Big Shot. Okay, so here's the Big Shot platform, a cutting pad, and then next we're going to take the layer that we added in there and then roll it through. Okay, so now I'm going to take this out of the embossing folder, and you can see that side. So what I'm going to do is make sure that that lines up right smack dab in the center, okay? So then I'm going to fold that over and then take my bone folder, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here, give it a little squeeze, and then burnish it with my bone folder, okay? Now we're going to add some tearing tape on this side here. Just one little strip will work. Okay, peel that backing off. Okay, so again, I'm going to place it on here and then fold this over, and I just want to make sure that it lines up. Okay, there we go. So there's that part. Now let's stamp. I'm using the Fable Friends stamp set, and I'm okay with cutting half the bunny off. I know that sounds really terrible, but it'll be okay. It's just a stamp, right? Okay, so stamp right in the middle. And then while I've got the ink pad open, I'll go ahead and stamp the grading. I got myself 2 pieces for just in case I mess up. And I got it on the first go around. Yay! That helps because I'm now adding the stickers to these cling stamp sets. Okay, slide that over. I'm using 2 Stampin' Blends, the light Flirty Flamingo and the light Crumb Cake. I'm just going to add a little color to the ears and to the button. Did I get ink on that? No, that was a piece of fuzz. And then the light Crumb Cake, I'm just going to color his jacket. You could color the jacket another color and color his body or her body Crumb Cake, but I want a white bunny. Okay, so now I'm going to take the stitch shaped framelits and the layer in circles framelits to cut both of these 2 out. So let me get the Big Shot again. Okay, so here's the Big Shot. This time we're using the magnetic platform. Add a cutting pad. So I'm going to start with that stitched circle and just center it right over the bunny. And now the powder pink. Okay, so let's bring all of our pieces back in here. We've got the bunny here. And our scallop circle here. I'm just going to take my snail and add the scallop, or add the bunny rabbit to the scallop circle. And then I'm going to add the greeting with a Stampin' Dimensional. So I'm going to turn it over, add one over here on that side. I'm going to go ahead and add it. And then turn this over and add dimensional on the bottom and a dimensional on the top, and that way it's going to go right on the belly band. Okay, don't forget, all the supplies are listed over on that free PDF on my website. Okay, stick please. Cute, right? Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye.